What is up? DCS is right back again after a very long week. Okay guys, I'm really sorry for the singing. I know I'm just really bad at it, but I couldn't help it. So, yep guys, coming up to today's video, over here I got is a extremely cool Hot Wheel. It's the 68 COPO Camaro, guys. So, yup, it's a cool muscle car. It's got 6 out of 10 in Muscle Mania. And talking about its looks, it's got most of the chrome type treatment on it, like the bumpers and the exhaust too, like the longitudinal one at the sides. And really, it's cool. It's got a good stripes on it too. Well guys, talking about the last week's video, actually the last week's video was quite a bit early, like it was on Friday night. I just uploaded it. Actually there was a problem in my uploading, guys. Like I scheduled the video at 3:30 on Saturday, but then it just flopped out and it got published on Friday night. So yep, I don't know what to say about that. Like most of the people who liked it, you're welcome for that, and most of the people who didn't like it, I'm really sorry for that. So yep guys, coming up to today, so you know the drill. First for the unboxing, and then let's go for the information, guys. And yeah, what was the last week's video about? Well, it was about the 69 Dodge Charger 500, guys. Like that was also a legit muscle car, so I don't know what to call it. Probably it's the muscle week or something. So I've got another muscle Hot Wheels. So yup, let's go for the unboxing, guys, and describe about its looks and details. Hey guys, so here the 68 COPO Camaro is out of the box, and taking a look at it, it actually isn't so wow type. Well, I know it's got that chrome bumper and the whole bottom is chrome treated, but still it's quite not that impressive. Well, you've got the lights at the front and you've got the turn indicators, but not quite visible. And you've going up to the side, guys, you've got the longitudinal exhaust, like it's completely long. And yup, the wheels are quite different. The 5-spoke wheel at the front is quite different than the 5-spoke at the back, maybe probably because there's a dragster. And yup, yeah, one thing guys, the Hot Wheels never miss this in any muscle car. Like they make the front wheels quite smaller and the rear wheels quite larger. Well, who can help that? It's the Hot Wheels thing. And yep guys, if you go for the interior, it's quite black. Yeah, it is black. And yep, you've got the tints quite black, or maybe transparent, probably due to the interior reflection. And yep guys, going up to the rear, you haven't got much, like even the logo is missing. And yep, you've got the tail lamps, but they're not detailed too. So it's missing a lot of detailing. And yep, the exhaust, oh yeah, I totally forgot about the exhaust at the sides. So yep guys, what else can I say about this car? Yeah, I've described it and you have taken a round look around it. So there's nothing else to say wow about or interesting kind. You've got the stripes. Yeah, what else can you say? So it's just time to go for the information. Let's move on to it. So yep guys, here we are to know something about this 68 COPO Camaro right here. So it's the information part. So why don't we begin it with the production? The production actually began in 1967, and yep, it ended up in 1969, probably due to its design features or something. Well, can't say. Well, going up to the body side, guys. The body side of this car is a 2-door coupe, and going for the engine. The engine is actually a 6.5 liter V8, which is a 427 big block, which is and really cool and a huge engine. Well, going for the transmission, guys. The transmission, you can either select a 3-speed automatic, or which I prefer the best, the 4-speed manual. Well, talking about the horsepower, guys. The horsepower, well, this car packs up to 375 horsepower, guys, so it's really enough, or probably it had to be more. Well, going for the length of this car is 4,691 millimeters. Talking about the width of this car is 1,842 millimeters. And going for the second best part, the 0 to 60 acceleration time, it does it in 5.4 seconds. It's actually really nice to know that. And going for the top speed, so all the car enthusiasts gather up here. The top speed of this car is actually 130 miles per hour, and that's 209 kilometers per hour. Not the best, but it's kind of fine. Well, time about the last thing, the price. Well, the price of this car is actually ranging from $43,000 to $98,000, and even more, guys. Like it's almost like probably $150,000 too. Well, as I've ended up the information, so you know what to do. Oh, I'm sorry guys, I'm not ending the video right here. It's time to go for the special facts. I totally forgot about that. So, yup. Let's see what we got here. The special fact tells us that the 86 Camaro introduced the astral ventilation, which circulated fresh air through the vents in the dash, and that was in the 86 and the later Camaros too. Well, actually, you can't say that the astral ventilation is kind of a good feature. Actually, they did that because they wanted to eliminate the vent in the windows, which were on the 87, because they were really expensive. So, yeah, that's not kind of a cool feature. It's like a cheap air ventilation mod. Well, you can't say more. So, yep guys, as I've ended up the video of today, so you know what to do. Just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and share all your friends and family. I'll see you all next week with a new car, and if you have any other doubt or anything you want to talk about, just comment it down below. I'll see you all next week, guys. So long, bye-bye.